In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube history. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. So there are two ways to do this. Open up a browser and search up myactivity.google.com. Press on My Activity and sign in with your YouTube Google account that you want to delete. Then you can see your YouTube search stuff, and you can also manage your YouTube history by clicking off. And then you can press on deleting activity all in 3 months, auto delete, and you can choose what you want to delete. Now, the other way is to go to the YouTube app, go to You on the bottom right, and click on the settings on the top right. And then you can go to manage history. And then you can manage your history. It opens up basically a portal for it. It's the same thing on the online version. And you can have auto delete. You can delete certain activities. So if I want to delete within 3 months, you can also do that. And then if you exit out, you can choose different controls for it. Include what videos you want to delete. Manage history, press on that. And then you can actually delete certain videos. Delete today, delete custom range, delete all time. You can delete whatever you want on your YouTube search history. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.